Are you a musician or a producer looking to turn your passion into profit? You've come to the right place. In this comprehensive guide, I'm going to teach you how to master the art of beat selling and take your music career to the next level. We're going to break down the strategies and techniques to help you to become a successful beat seller. Whether you're a beginner or already have some experience, I'm going to give you some valuable tips to enhance your beat selling game. I've been selling beats for over 10 years and learned a lot in that time to be able to sell beats for a living, as well as mix and mastering and other streams of income, which is a whole nother video that I've done. Step 1, perfect your beats. Spend some time refining your sound, finding your signature sound. Experiment with different genres and styles, that way you can cater to a broader audience. Pay close attention to market trends and add your unique style in there to help you stand out from the rest. Step 2, build a strong catalog. That way when you've built a strong catalog and you send in artists and potential artists, buyers, clients to your website to purchase your beats, you can have a nice catalog for them to choose from. There's no point in having 10, 15, 20 beats for them to choose from, because more than likely they're not going to find anything. So make sure you got a solid catalog for them to choose from. Step 3, build your brand. Start by creating a unique and recognizable brand identity. This will include a logo, professional website, and active presence on social media platforms. Showcase your skills and create a compelling online portfolio to attract potential buyers. Step 4, licensing. So depending on how you want to run it, there's exclusive and then there's leasing. You can have different tiers to your leasing, like unlimited lease options or whatever it is that you decide on doing. But I would say at first keep it simple, and then if you want to branch out and start doing non-exclusive, unlimited and different usage rights. But bear in mind, these will affect your pricing. If you don't know how to price your beats, I've got a video on how to price beats, which will definitely help you. With licensing as well, just make sure you got your agreements set up properly, letting potential buyers know exactly how much usage rights they have when they purchase your beats. So step 5, pricing strategies. As I said already, your different licenses will affect your prices. Knowing how to price your beats, first of all, I would say know your worth and value your beats based on quality and demand and market trends. Be honest with yourself, listen to your beats. Are they worth the price that you're trying to price them at? If they're not, start small and grow. If you feel they're ready to be priced at $30, $40, $50, then roll with that. So I would advise on offering some type of promotional discounts, some bundle offers. That way when customers come to buy your beats, they can get a nice little offer that makes them feel like they're getting some more value from buying your beats. For example, buy 2 get 1 free seems to work well. Take advantage of that. Step 6, network. Collaborate with other artists, other musicians, other producers. Attend industry events, join communities. Join online communities to connect with potential clients. Building relationships is key to expanding your reach and gaining exposure. Step 7, create a user-friendly website. Make it easy for potential buyers to go and browse and purchase your beats. Like I said, offer various licensing options, including exclusive rights, lease and non-exclusive agreement. Provide clear instructions on how to purchase, download, and use your beats legally. When you've got a website, this will allow you to have your own hub where you can send potential clients. So by having a website, you can change up the fonts, the look, the layout, so it fits in and ties in with your brand, and continue to update it so it looks fresh every time potential buyers go there to check out your beats or to buy beats. Step 8, marketing and promotion. Utilize social media platforms, music streaming sites, and YouTube to showcase your beats. Engage with your audience by providing behind the scenes content and tutorials. You can also maximize your exposure by working with popular influencers or collaborating with popular artists. Step 9, sell on online marketplaces such as Airbit, BeatStars, SoundCloud, and Bandcamp. Take advantage of their built-in marketing tools and massive user base. Be sure to constantly update your catalog to keep what you're offering fresh and exciting. Step 10, customer service. Provide excellent customer service. Be professional. Treat your customers with the most professionalism. Respond to inquiries quickly, and be sure when you're sending out your beats and your agreements that they're at the highest quality. Happy customers will tell others about your service and what their experience was like with you, as this will lead to more sales. So make sure it's a good one. Word of mouth is strong. Got to remember, success in beat selling takes time and dedication. Be consistent, improve your skills, and always be adaptable to how the music industry is changing. If this video has brought you any value at all, hit the like button and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. See you in the next video.